on this track, fam.
After we discuss the HTML, how to word tables and paragraph using HTML tags, we are now discussing how to work with images, how the images used when it comes in backgrounds, paano natin siya gagamitin when it comes in tables, paano natin siya gagamitin palalapin. So we have different kinds of use of images. We have different kinds of calling, although it is all about the address of the image, but still we have different kinds of call. If you want to use it as a background, we can use and input it into the body tags, and we can put it as and add to the body as background attributes, while the another one that we can use when it comes in calling images is using image source or IMG SRC. So it is another tags na kung saan ginagamit natin siya if we are not using images as an attributes. Ano po? So image is another tags po na meron siyang source or yung tinatawag natin na kinakuha niya is yung address mismo ng images natin. Ano po? So let's start to know how to work it, kung paano natin siya gagawin. Ano po? So just wait for the actual presentation or actual work when it comes in using images in two ways. So start na tayo. And next, we are discussing now the actual presentation or actual syntax of using images. Ano po? So ito po, makikita po natin ano po ba yung dalawang sinasabi ko na tamang paggamit ng background natin or ng image natin. First is a background. Yung background po natin, kung mapapansin po natin, we input it into the body. Ano po? It is one of the attributes of body. Yung isa po is BG color, which is it represent color, kulay. While background, it represent image. Ano po? So when we use background, so it means you want to call image. So makikita nyo po, I have wala.jpg. Kung mapapansin nyo po, ito ay wala.jpg. It is the only address. Why? Because the files of sample.html and the image na wala.jpg is belong to one folder. So, ibig sabihin po, when you call the image, na parehas yung files at saka yung image sa isang folder or sa desktop nyo, you need to call it only for the name of the image. While the another one is you need to use the main address or the folders wherein the image is located. So, halimbawa po nito ay yung sa image source natin. Kung mapapansin nyo po sa image source natin, which is another way on calling the images or image. So, kung mapapansin nyo po dito, I use IMG. Yung IMG po is a folder. Then, yung ppt.jpg po ay yung pangalan po ng image. Ano po? So, kung mapapansin nyo, sir, bakit to ay image? Bakit SRC? Why it is not a background? Because it is not a background for your table. You use the image here as a pictures that you want to display to the table data. Ano po? So it's not belong as an attribute of table. It is not belong as attribute of the table data. It is only images that you want to call inside your table data. Ano po? So let we see kung ano po magiging output niya when it comes to your browser. So this time po, we can see that the sample in our last lesson nilagyan ko siya na background na image. Ito po yung nasa body natin. Ito po yung wala.jpg. So, ito po yung JPEG na ginamit po natin doon. So, kung mapapansin nyo, in our past lesson, I input green as a background color. But this time, I input image. Then, kung mapapansin nyo po sa table natin, sa halip na text po yung laman niya, ang laman niya po ngayon ay image. And that is ppt.jpg. So, ito po yung image natin. Ano po. After we see the output, a little bit tip lang po when it comes in using image. You need to be specific and specific to the name. Dapat identifiable. Madali nating matatandaan para hindi tayo nagkakamali. At the same time, when we use images to make it clear, wag po tayo gagamit ng yung image natin ay hiwa-hiwalay. Make it use the right way of calling the image. And that is the second options, which is we use img as a folder, then tinawag natin yung pangalan ng image. So, ito po yung tama. All the image, lahat ng resources natin when it comes in image, pagsamasamahin po natin siya sa isang folder. Para yung folder na yon naka-handle lang, naka-hold dun yung image. Kapag tawagin natin, it is basically basic and easy to us para matawagan natin at matandaan natin saan ba natin matatagpuan yung mga image na tinawag natin para hindi siya nakakalito. Ano po? Habang ito naman, pwede nyo naman gamitin yun, yung wala lang .jpg na hindi kayo gumagamit ng image. Kaso, ang makuha naman dito, paano kapag masyado ng marami yung files mo? Meron ka ng para sa HTML, meron ka ng para sa Cascade Style Sheet, meron ka pa sa Java. So, nagiging magulo yung pinaka-folder mo. So, maduming tingnan. So, sa isang programmer, kailangan malinis yung folder mo. Kailangan malinis yung pinaglalagyan ng mga files natin para hindi tayo nahirapan kapag maghahanap tayo ng mga materials na kinakailangan at ginamit natin sa website natin. So, basically, this is the basic part. And basically, it is the way on how to call the images from folder or outside of the folder. So, from the body, we need to use the attributes of backgrounds. Then, yung name ng images. But, if we want to use it as, na nasa folder siya, we need to use, call the real na address niya, which is consider the name of the folder, which is to po yung image / ppt.jpg. So that's all for today. Only image for this day. So I hope you understand a little bit discussions regarding to image. So that's all, and thank you guys.